One place that brings me comfort is Keuka Lake because I associate it with spending time with my family and overall just happy memories. For the past 16 years, my family has rented a cottage on Keuka Lake, and it's consistently the last full week in July. The pictures you're seeing are of me and my family from the past decade and a half. As my cousins have gotten older, are in college and traveling more than ever before, I have significantly less opportunities to see them. Also, some have traveled pretty far away. For instance, I have family in Virginia, California, and at one point a cousin who was in Togo and Ghana, which are in West Africa. But everyone takes time to be together and relaxed for at least 1 week of the year. Over time, this week has become more and more significant to me because I can trust that I'll get to see all of my family, even if it's just for a few days. It's become something that I can look forward to in the summer. I have great memories of tubing, building fires, swimming, kayaking, and playing cards with my cousins. These memories are especially comforting for me now when I'm not able to see my family in person nearly as often due to the pandemic. To commemorate what this place means to me, I attempted to make an art piece of the lake during a sunset, and it's inspired by a picture that was taken by my aunt back in 2018. While I don't do art very often, I did enjoy this process because it gave me an opportunity to look through pictures to choose what I wanted to make, and then I tried to recreate it with admittingly varying amounts of success. Overall, Keuka Lake is a comforting place for me because I associate it with happy memories and it reminds me of spending time with my family. And this is the art piece that I tried to make.